The HPG extension identifies an HP Graphics Language file containing vector plot data for HP pen plotters and large format printers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, convert, or print these plotter graphics files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small HPG errors. Take a shortcut and download now. HPG files are vector graphics files using HP Graphics Language HPGL, containing pen plotter commands for producing technical drawings on HP and compatible pen plotters and large format printers. They store vector drawing instructions including line movements, pen selections, and text placement. HP HPG files use HPGL command syntax with instructions including PU pen, up PD pen, down PA plot, absolute, and SP select pen. Commands are ASCII text strings, controlling plotter head movement, pen color selection, and drawing operations for technical illustration output. To maintain file fidelity, use HPGL plotters developed by Hewlett-Packard to Open HPG. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows can preview some vector formats, but full editing needs vector design software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your HPG file and choose Open With. Test HPGL plotters first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your HPG file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The specificity of the HPG format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, viewing the file. Use a free HPGL viewer, such as ViewCompanion or HPGLView, to display HPG files on screen. These tools interpret the plotter commands and render the vector drawing for visual inspection without requiring a physical plotter device. Next, converting to PDF or SVG. Use Inkscape, which supports HPGL import, to convert HPG files to SVG or PDF format. Open the HPG file in Inkscape via File, then Import, then save as SVG or export to PDF. Online HPGL to PDF converters are also available for quick conversion. Finally, printing on modern devices. Send HPG files directly to HP large format printers that support HPGL input using the Windows Print System or direct port communication. For standard printers, convert to PDF first using the conversion methods above, then print from any PDF reader application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.